Hi everyone, welcome to Math 61. Today we will do some exercise, section 3.3. Number 1. Complete the table for the given polynomial, negative 9x to the fifth plus 4.6x squared plus 2x minus 7. Complete the tablet on the right. So now look at, they ask about the coefficient. So the coefficient of a term is the numerical factor of the term. Okay, so look at this one, the numerical of the term. So look at negative 9x to the fifth is mean the numerical is negative 9. So the coefficient is negative 9. Now the y is 4.6x squared. The numerical, the coefficient is become 4.6. So I just put 4.6. How about 2x? The coefficient is 2. Put coefficient is 2. Negative 7, just put negative 7. Okay, this is for the coefficient of a term. This for number 1. So now go to number 2. You need to find the degree of the polynomial and determine whether it is a monomial, binomial, trinomial, or none of these. Okay, the problem is 3m to the fourth minus 7m cubed plus 6m minus 9. Now, definition, the greatest, for if you want to know about the degree of the polynomial, okay, you just look at the greatest degree of any term of the polynomial. Okay, so look at for this one. This one, just put like this. Okay, so I just write down first. 3m to the fourth minus 7m cubed plus 6m minus 9. That's right. So now look at the term. I just put this is the term, yeah. So look at the first one. The first one is the degree is, the exponent is 4. The second term, the degree is 3. 6m, I can put 1 over here, yeah. So the degree is 1. So the negative 9, I can put m to the 0. Remember, m to the 0 is equal 1. If exponent 0 always 1. Okay, so now you have to look at this one. The degree of the polynomial is, you can see, yeah, the polynomial is 4. Okay, now next one. They ask about the polynomial is, you have to choose A, monomial, B, binomial, 3, trinomial, or none of these. So we have to know about monomial. What's the meaning of monomial? It means you has exactly only one term. Okay, the binomial has 2 terms. How about trinomial has 3 terms? So now look at again the problem. How many terms they have? The first one, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So we have 4 terms. So which one you choose? Is none of these. Ready, follow? Okay. Now go to number 3. Find the degree of the polynomial and determine whether it is a monomial, binomial, trinomial, or none of these. Okay, so now look at again. Remember again, to look at the degree, you have to look at the greatest exponential. Yeah, so now exponent, look at over here. So I just write down again over here. So become 11x to the 9 minus x to the 4 minus 11x to the 5th. Okay, so now look at the greatest exponent is 9. So I can choose, put over here, what is the degree of the polynomial is 9. Now, what type of polynomial is 11x to the 9 minus x to the 4th minus 11x to the 5th? So how many terms? 1, 2, yeah? Because this is the first, the second, the third. So we have 3 terms. So which one you choose? Monomial, binomial, trinomial, or none of these? Of course, trinomial. Okay. Now go to number 4. You have to simplify the following expression by combining like terms. So you have to put together. So I just write down again. 6k squared plus 3 plus 2k squared minus 9. Combining like terms, right? I put k squared together, right? So 6k squared plus 2k squared. And I put the number plus 3 minus 9. Okay, so we're going to answer become 6 plus 2 become 8k squared. 3 minus 9 is negative 6. Okay, this for number 4. Now go to number 5. The same, yeah? We have to simplify. But this is fraction, so you have to make the same denominator first. Okay, let's write down 3 over 4 x cubed plus 18 x squared plus 1 over 8 x cubed minus 20 x squared minus 14. Okay, so now I'm gonna put together. This is cube, yeah? So become 3 over 4 x cubed plus 1 over 8 x cubed. Now look at again the x squared. This is x squared, this is x squared. Put together plus 18 x squared minus 20 x squared 1x minus 14. Okay, so now look at the LCD. Yeah, 4 and 8. The LCD is 8 because 4 going to 8. Yes, 4 times 2, right? So now I just put this is over 8 x cubed plus over 8 x cubed. Okay, so 4 going to 8 is how many times? 2. So 2 times 3 is, this is 6. 1, this is the same, yeah? Already done. 2. So 2 times 3 is, this is 6. 1, this is the same, yeah? Already the denominator already 8. So now what next after this? Just plus 18 squared, 18x squared minus 20x squared. So 18 minus 20 is negative 2. Negative 2x squared minus 14. So now we can add, yeah? 6 plus 1, the same example, the answer is 7 over 8x cubed minus 2x squared minus 14. Okay, ready to follow? Follow, yeah? So now go to number 6. Number 6. Recall that the perimeter of a figure is the sum of the length of its sides. A. Write the perimeter of the given figure as a polynomial. So for the A, do not simplify. It means we just add. Yeah, we just add all of the sides. Is 7x. Just put over here. This is 7x plus 2 plus 6x plus 2 plus 3x plus 7 plus 4x plus 9x. Okay, this is for A. Yeah, because they said do not simplify, so you just write down. the side 7x plus 2 plus 6x plus 2 plus 3x plus 7 plus 4x plus 9x. Now, for the b, the parameter is, so you have to simplify. Okay, so now I just put together, yeah, 7x. I just use the blue one. Okay, this is 7x, 6x, 3x, 4x, 9x. Okay, just put 7x plus 6x plus 3x plus 4x plus 9x. Okay, the next one, you add the number 2 plus 2 plus 7. So we have plus 2 plus 2 plus 7. Okay, so now the answer becomes 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 plus 3 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 plus 9 is 29. So 29x. Okay, plus 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 7 plus 11. So the answer 29x plus 11. Okay, now go to number 7. Identify the degree. Okay, remember again, identify the degree. Yeah? Identify the degree of the terms and the degree of the polynomial. Okay, identify the degree of the term of 6VW minus 5V plus 9W minus 2. You have to complete the table below. Now, there is definition for this one. Okay, the degree of a term in one variable is the exponent of the variable. Okay, look at again for the number 1, yeah. So now, but this one, the degree of a term with more than one variable, because there are two variables, this is V and W. Okay, so the degree of a term with more than one variable is the sum of the exponents of the variable. Okay, for this one, 6VW. So we can put the exponent, I can put the exponent is 1 over here. Okay, so the degree for 6VW, 1 plus 1 equal 2. Because more than one variable, you edit the exponent. Okay, so now for this one, 6VW, we have the degree of term is 2. Okay, negative 5V, I can put, yeah, so negative 5V, I can put 1 like this. So the degree is 1. So 9W, I can put the exponent 1. Yeah, so the degree is 1. Okay, how about negative 2? So negative 2, I can put V to the 0 or negative 2W to the 0. It's because the same. Because remember, the exponent 0 always 1. Yes, it's become, this is 0. The exponent is, this is 0. So you can choose. Okay, so negative 2V to the 0 is mean negative 2. Or negative 2W, yeah, to the 0, the same. The answer is negative 2. So you choose which one. So the degree of the term negative 2 is 0. Okay, now the degree of the polynomial, so we have to choose the greatest one. Yeah, so you have to choose the greatest one. The greatest one is 2. So the answer is 2. Okay, remember, okay, the degree of term in one variable is the exponent of the variable. But the degree of a term with more than one variable is the sum of the exponent of the variables. Okay. So now go to number 8. Now identify, it's the same, yeah? Identify the degree of the terms and the degree of the polynomial. Just look at if the term, you just look at, okay, I just write down first, yeah? X squared y minus 3 plus 6x squared y squared plus 4y cubed. Okay, so now for this one, you can look at I can put 1 over here. Yeah, now 3, negative 3 is mean you can put negative 3x to the 0. Or you can write down negative 3y to the 0. Because the same. Because remember, exponent to the 0 always 1. Yeah. So now look at again the exponent, the degree of the term. This term, this term, this term. Okay. Now look at the degree. 2 plus 1. So x squared y, the degree is 3. 2 plus 1. So x squared y, the degree is 3. Now negative 3, look at this one. The degree is always 0. Now 6x squared plus y squared. You add it, yeah? 2 plus 2 become 4. Now the last one, 4y cubed. The answer is, degree is 3. Okay, this is degree of term. Now the degree of the polynomial, you have to look at the highest one, the greatest one. Okay, this one, the greatest one is 4. So the degree of the polynomial is 4. Okay, so you can see here the degree of the term and the degree of the polynomial. So now number 9, you have to simplify the following and simplify the polynomial by combining any like term. Okay, let's write down again the problem. 4x squared y plus 8xy squared minus 4yx squared plus 3 minus 2y squared x. Okay, remember xy equal yx. Okay, so it means x squared y, this is the same with yx squared. Okay, now look at again here. So look at the x squared. This is x squared. This is x squared. This is y. This is y. This means this is the same like term. So we can write down become 4x squared y minus 4x squared y. Okay. Now next, look again. This is x. This is x. This is y squared. This is y squared. So combining like that. So this is the same. So we can put together. Yeah. So become plus 8xy squared minus 2xy squared. Last one is 3 plus 3. Okay, so now we're going to solve this one. So 4x squared y minus 4x squared y this is become 0. Now 8xy squared minus 2xy squared. 8 minus 2, the answer is 6xy squared plus 3. This is for number 9. Now go to number 10. Okay, so simplify the sum. Yeah, this is the same. Yeah, so we just solve it. Okay, so 12y cubed minus 9 plus 5a squared b squared minus 13 minus 17 b squared a squared. Okay, always do from left to the right. Okay, so now y cube have friend or not? No, they don't have friend. Yeah, just like that. 12y cube. Okay, next one. So negative 9 and negative 13. So put together negative 9 minus 13. Okay, next one. A squared, this is a squared. B squared, this is b squared. This is the same, yeah? So it means I can write down plus 5a squared b squared minus 17 a squared b squared. So we're going to solve this one. So 12y cubed Negative 9 minus 13. The answer is minus 22. 5 minus 17. The answer is minus 12. So A squared, B squared. Okay, this is for number 10. Now for number 11. Write the following polynomial in descending power of the variable and with no missing powers. Okay, so it means you have to write down from the highest to the lowest. Now, remember if I put this is x, for example, okay, this is for x squared, next x to the 1, x to the 0. So it means for the highest to the lowest. So now look at again. The problem is 5x squared minus 50. There is x to the 1, yeah? So it means this is, remember, this is equal 1, yeah? So now, I just write down again, 5x squared minus 50, right? So I need something in the middle here. Yeah, I need something because the degree is, the exponent is 1. So it means I have to write down, become 5x squared plus 0 times x to the 1 minus 50, right? So I can write down become 5x squared plus 0 times x minus 50. Okay. So now go to number 12. This is the last one. It's the same. Yeah, this is the same. The question is the same. Write the following. Okay. So they said 8x cubed minus 52. I put space. Just remember cube, yeah? Always descending, yeah? 52. I put space. Just remember cube, yeah? Always descending, yeah? Descending power of the variable when the power of the variable decrease from left to the right. Okay, so this is x cubed, x squared, x to the 1, x to the 0. Right? So now we have only this one and this one. So we have only this one. Right? So now we need in the middle. So I just put plus 0 x squared plus 0 times x to the 1. You want to put like 1, yeah? So I just write down 8x cubed plus 0x squared plus 0 times x minus 52. Okay, this is the last one. So if you have questions, please let me know. You can make appointment online. So see you on the next section. Bye-bye.